Think you are catching a reversal? Think again. If you ignore BOS, you are trending against the trend, and the market will punish you. Today we will talk about break of market structure, what means BOS, Choch, and BMS. So first of all, break of market structure, or BOS, happens when price breaks a key high or low. It's the market's way of saying, I'm continuing in this direction. A BOS confirms trend continuation. No BOS, no confidence. If you enter before BOS, you probably gambler. After BOS, you informed. Change of character is the market changing its behavior. It breaks structure in the opposite direction. It's your first hint that the trend might be reversing. Change of character makes new block of market structure. It shows the battle between buyers and sellers. Don't confuse the BOS with change of character. BOS shows continuation, change of character shows potential reversal. Know the difference or pay for it. How to find valid change of character? Through the volume. Volume, you must see volume confirmation. No volume, no entry. It can be fake. How to find change of character? In uptrend, price makes higher high, but then breaks below the previous higher low, creating a lower low. In downtrend, price makes a lower low, but then breaks above the previous lower high, creating a new higher high. Let's check this example. In downtrend, as you can see, we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But then price breaks this lower high, creating the new higher high. What we can do with this? As you can see, we have impulse, and then price goes to our correction. This is our OTE, optimal trade entry, and this will be our target, creating a new higher high on a higher time frame. And this downtrend, price break this lower high, create new higher high. How? As you can see, we have impulse, correction. That will be our OTE zone for buying, and this will be our BMS. This higher high creates new consolidation phase. One more example. In this downtrend, price makes lower low, but then breaks lower high, creating new higher high, then goes to correction and create new BMS. And this will be our entry. First target will be here. Why? Because price makes new BMS, new consolidation zone. This will be our first TP. As you can see here, we have equal highs, and that will be our second TP. One more example. Change of character, breakout market structure, correction. That's our OTE zone. One more example how to trade BOS. See this higher low, then price breaks the previous high. So what it means, BOS confirmed. That's your signal that trend is alive. Here, as you can see, we have imbalance. After creating this higher high, price goes to correction to mitigate this order block, and this will be our good entry. So now you see how market speaks with you. BOS, change of character, BMS, it's a language of smart money. If you learn it, you'll finally stop to be gambler. If it's helped, give the like, drop the comment, and subscribe. If you want me to show how I trade or my entries, let me know below. You can also send me a screenshot how you do the market structure, how you draw. I will check it. Do stop loss and have a nice day.